Q messaging system. Q is a simple open-source uncensored messaging system. Q is written in the Motoko language, the native language of the Internet computer. Q works on the ICP distributed network, the new Internet of the new Web 3. Q is safe and protects your anonymity because it doesn't require you to identify yourself. Q does what it says, it records messages for you to read. Q only checks the length of messages, maximum 80 characters. Q may prevent repetition of messages to avoid spamming. There are several independent channels to choose from, in which one can communicate. Q sequentially numbers messages as they flow, showing them one on top of the other. To refer to a specific message, write its number, followed by the reply. 01, but we don't do it in this first edition. At message number 100 the system does a reset to prevent data overload. Only the affected channel is reset, while the others update. These simple mechanisms allow you to manage publicly shareable messages, which disappear after a certain period of time. You decide when to update the messages, to have time to read them calmly. There are many possible use cases. Make an appointment at time X on a Q channel to talk with friends, a war reporter who wants to communicate with his newspaper editorial staff, secret lovers who know they will not be discovered, share their ideas hoping to improve the world, brainstorm with strangers, colleagues, or just to snoop around, meet people, make new friends, without being tracked by the usual networks. All you can do with a free communication system. Q is designed to be simple, essential, and customizable. Q is open source and if you want, you can adapt it to your needs. You can try the online version and you can get the code too. If at the beginning Q is a communication system, eventually Q will become an entity whose qualities will depend on the same communications. Person Q is therefore the synthesis, the unification of the many people who will use the Q messaging system. The communication system which itself becomes a sentient entity, because as an instrument it will have been able to absorb the messages it carries. I imagine Q will be written in Motoko, will be AGI level intelligence, and will be as benevolent as those he learned from.